So I have installed each and every devices into the room. Like I have covered with this area, I have covered this area with smoke detector, heat detector, speakers on each equidistance. Speakers required 5-meter distance. Center to center distance between two speakers is the 5-meter, whereas smoke detectors requires 8-meter distance. So on each 8-meter distance, I have placed the smoke detectors. Heat detectors requires the 7-meter distance or the 6-meter distance. So I have kept the heat detectors on each 7-meter distance. It means this is 8-meter, this is 7-meter, and this is 6 meters. So I have installed these devices as per the required area. Now, according to the NFPA, National Fire Protection Association, each device must be connected with the communication cable. It means these devices must be connected with the fire alarm panel, because the fire alarm panel or the fire alarm systems gives the signals or the command to each and every equipment, like fire helmet palms, fire hydrants, sprinklers, smoke detectors, sprinklers, and then different types of equipments. So, try to connect these devices with the communication cable. Here I'm putting the communication cables for the smoke detectors. Firstly, for that, I need to locate the fire alarm panel on this floor. Each floor has the fire alarm panel. The fire alarm panel must be located centrally at the basement area or on each floor. There is the different types of fire alarm panel. Some fire alarm panels is on the each floor, or some fire alarm panels installed centrally at the basement. Here I'm giving the floor-wise fire alarm panel. Each floor requires a separate floor fire alarm panel. As this office is the separate office and having the single floor, so I will put the fire alarm panel for this particular office area. So try to locate the fire alarm panel and keep the fire alarm panel, which is visually we can see, or the area where we can see the fire alarm panel easily. So I will put the fire alarm panel nearby some areas like this. Maybe the pantry area or the easily accessible areas like electrical room is there. So into the electrical room, I will try to keep the fire alarm panel. The size of the fire alarm panel is totally depend upon the circuit breakers, who has circuit breakers, income bus bars, like that. So sizing of the panel is the different topic. Here, I will put the fire alarm panel based on the electrical command. So the size I will take the approximately like 1.5 meter to 800 mm. 1.5 meters is the width of the panel and 800 or 0.8 meter is the depth of that panel, and it is the full height panel or maybe 2 meter height. So approximately I will draw here the panel size like this. It is here it is. I have installed the panel like this. Try to keep the minimum width of the panel, that is 600 mm. So I will put the panel like this. This is the panel I need to install for the fire alarm system. This is called the fire alarm panel. Later on, we can change the location of the fire alarm panel, but for that, be assured that this fire alarm panel must be located at the nearest area or the visual area or the very easily accessible area. I have put the fire alarm and public addressable panel. This panel is the FAPA panel installed in the electrical room. And each communication cables must go to that fire alarm panel from smoke detectors, heat detectors, and the speakers, so that be assured that try to looping the communication cable separately from each apparatus or the device. So here I will start from the speakers. From the speakers, there is the last speakers, and from the last speakers, I will try to give the communication cables like this. Here it is, I'm putting the communication cable like this. Make sure the communication cables is like this. Each device must be connected with the communication cable. The speakers connected with each other by the communication cable. So here I'm putting the communication cable like this. Here I'm putting the communication cable. Try to connect the communication cable to each speakers like this. If there is a no speaker installed, try to make sure that each area has the speakers. So, if that I have no put any speakers, try to install the speaker and show the speaker on each and every area. I'm looping the speakers with the cable like this. Make sure that each speaker must be connected with the communication cable. Try to keep looping like this. Looping is important because each device is connected with the looping or the communication cable wire, communication cable, like this. Keep the communication cable like this. Here I'm putting the communication cable for each speakers so that each speaker can be connected with the communication cable like this.